Up in northern Seattle, in the Pinehurst neighborhood, there's an unassuming little window with a long name. You don't want to judge this book by its cover because Zylberschtein's Delicatessen and Bakery is serving some amazing flavors in perfect packages, putting out what many people are calling the best bagel in Seattle.
There aren't too many Jewish delis around this area. It's kind of one of the good spots, and again, they make their own bagels and everything.
The food's just always really good and interesting. My husband always gets a Reuben and I steal bites from him.
For me, it's one of the best bagels in Seattle.
I was looking around trying to find a good bagel in Seattle. I had trouble doing that, and so I said, I guess I better make them myself.
Owner Josh Grunig took his passion for authentic Jewish dishes and his love of a good bagel and combined it with Washington's amazing fresh food to create something really special.
Jewish deli food is all about making stuff from scratch and taking very humble ingredients and just making them taste outstanding. Any of the items that we don't make in-house, we really try to seek out other really passionate producers. So everything that we can find of highest possible quality is going to be from Washington.
We love their breakfast, and our kids love the sprinkle cookies.
During Hanukkah, we always get the brisket and the latkes.
Honestly, I usually just go down the line and I'm like, I want that.
Don't miss later in the show when Josh and I make Washington potato and onion knish.
It's a
Delicatessen?
Delicatessen.
Yeah. We're changing hearts tonight.
Yes, we are.